Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to Amazon. Integrating your Shopify store with Amazon's marketplace can open up a world of sales opportunities. This powerful combination allows you to reach millions of new customers on Amazon while managing everything from your familiar Shopify dashboard. It's a strategic move to boost your brand awareness and streamline operations across two major e-commerce platforms. There are several effective ways to integrate your Shopify store with Amazon. The most common method involves using dedicated apps from the Shopify App Store, like Shopify Marketplace Connect. These apps facilitate syncing products, inventory, and orders. Alternatively, you can utilize Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment service, which manages warehousing and shipping for all your sales channels, including Shopify, from a single inventory pool. Before connecting, ensure you have an active Shopify store and an Amazon professional seller account, which typically costs around $40 per month. It's crucial that your Shopify store's currency aligns with your Amazon marketplace. For example, US dollars for Amazon.com. Next, install an integration app from the Shopify App Store, such as Shopify Marketplace Connect, to begin the linking process. Connecting Shopify to Amazon offers numerous benefits, including access to Amazon's hundreds of millions of customers. You can automate inventory synchronization, ensuring accurate stock levels across both platforms. Remember to optimize your product listings with high-quality images and thorough descriptions. Regularly update your inventory and provide excellent customer service to maximize your success and build customer loyalty across both sales channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.